Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving right in on how to create a virtual vision board in Notion, your comprehensive guide for 2025. To get started, you'll first need to create a new page on Notion. Click on the plus sign in the left sidebar and select New Page. This is the canvas where your vision board will live. It's important to have a dedicated space for your vision board to keep it organized and easily accessible. Now that we've done that, let's add some sections. Click on the blank page and type /heading1 to create your first section. This could be career, personal development, or whatever aligns with your goals. The reason we do this is to categorize your goals for better clarity and focus. Next up, it's time to add some life to our vision board. For each section you created, you will add images, links, or text that represent your goals. To add an image, type /image and upload your selected picture. To add a link, type /link and paste the URL. This helps us because visualizing your goals can make them more tangible and motivate you to take action. Let me explain why this matters. According to studies, people who visualize their goals are significantly more likely to achieve them. So take your time to choose images and links that truly resonate with your aspirations. In the final step, you'll want to add a progress tracker for each goal. Type /table to create a simple table. Include columns for the goal, the target date, and the progress. This is crucial for tracking your progress and keeping your goals in check. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Notion is creating a cohesive, visually appealing space for you to map out and track your goals. It's more than just a vision board. It's a powerful tool to drive you towards your aspirations. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've created your very own virtual vision board in Notion. Remember, the key to a successful vision board is regular review and updates. So make it a part of your routine to revisit and refine your vision board. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this guide empowers you to create a vision board that's personal, motivating, and effective. Until next time, happy goal setting.